May I, in Welsh.
Gai.
English Welsh polite requests. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Great to have you here. Let's make Welsh easy and fun. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bonus practice. Today we unlock the Welsh permission key.
Gai.
In English, may I. It's polite, it's powerful, and it opens doors without a crowbar, only a smile. Your goal today. You'll ask for permission smoothly and sound charming, not alarming. Master the core phrase.
Gai.
Equals, may I. Use it anywhere, in class, at a cafe, or at a museum door. Know the difference. Permission
Gai.
versus ability.
Alla fi.
Go plural with friends.
Gawn ni.
Equals, may we. Add politeness sprinkles. End with.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Forms and friendly add-ons. Repeat after me and feel the rhythm. Singular permission.
Gai.
Example.
Gai.
A glass of water.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Question mark quote. Plural permission.
Gawn ni.
Sit here together? Ability, can I?
Alla fi.
Use the Wi-Fi? Softer, tentative.
Allwn ni.
Get a receipt? Negative check, rules.
Gai ddim.
Bring drinks inside? Magic words.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Please.
Diolch.
Thank you.
Esgusodwch fi.
Excuse me. Mini dialogues. Act it out, small scenes, big confidence. Cafe. You.
Esgusodwch fi. Gai.
A latte.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Barista.
Wrth gwrs.
You.
Diolch.
Exclamation mark quote. Classroom. You raise your hand.
Gai.
Leave a minute early, teacher.
Wrth gwrs.
Just don't sprint. Museum. Whisper at the door.
Gai.
Step in now, guard smiles.
Wrth gwrs.
Enjoy. Quick drill. Clap and ask. Follow my beat, speak, pause, smile. You.
Gai.
Some water.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Question mark quote. Reply.
Wrth gwrs.
Quote. You.
Gai.
Sit here? Reply.
Wrth gwrs.
Quote. You.
Alla fi.
Charge my phone? Reply. If you're asking permission, switch to.
Gai.
Exclamation mark quote. Culture tip. Sound local, feel welcome. In Wales, courtesy counts. Starting with.
Gai.
At places like the Eisteddfod, or even a busy street food stall, keeps interactions warm and respectful. Add.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
And seal it with.
Diolch.
Your superpower reply to listen for is.
Wrth gwrs.
Quote. Quiz time. Quick check, no pressure, just pleasure. Q1. How do you say, may I, in Welsh? A1.
Gai.
Q2. Which one means, can I? Ability. A2.
Alla fi.
Q3. The plural, may we, is. A3.
Gawn ni.
Q4. Spot the odd one out, not a permission phrase.
Gai. Gawn ni. Bore da. Allwn ni.
A4.
Bore da.
Challenge of the day. Mini mission time. Use.
Gae.
3 times today. Once with a real person, once in a note or message, and once practicing aloud in front of a door like a polite wizard. Bonus points if you add.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
And finish with.
Diolch.
Thanks and next steps. You did great, your Welsh just leveled up. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Gae.
Out in the wild, and notice how often you hear.
Wrth gwrs.
Quote. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and fun challenges. Catch you next time.
Diolch.
And happy learning.